That's awesome. Good morning, Monty. What's your call sign?
WB5RZX.
And you run the Youth Lounge, the amazing Youth Lounge here at Huntsville Ham Fest.
This is our 15th year.
15 years?
15th year.
Woo!
So we grow a little bit every year. We try to do something new every year and keep it fresh for the kids.
I like that. And what new things you've done this year?
Different radio things that they can do. Get on the air stations a little different this year, and we had them doing a scavenger hunt with FRS talkies.
Ooh, that's fun. What were they looking for?
Whatever was on the list.
That's awesome. So what stations do you have set up here this year?
They can program an Arduino. We've got Arduinos and laptops set up. We have a bunch of different 3D printers so that folks can see different styles of 3D printers and how they work. The station we always have is the soldering station, where they learn how to solder and build a Morse code oscillator kit. We've got some neat things called snap circuits, where you actually snap the circuit together like Legos. And the kids love doing that. They love trying to build all those things and see how they work. And we've got some craft stations for the really young ones. They can make a Morse code bracelet.
Ooh. And what's the wiggle one they got over there?
That's called a Doodlebot. It's got a vibrator in it, and it stands on markers, and so it actually draws artwork while it vibrates.
And that's a vibrating toothbrush or automatic toothbrush?
Yep, kids love that. And then the robotics team from right here in Huntsville, the brown coats, are the main feature in the center here. We had a really good year this year.
I heard.
The brown coats, we're just finishing our 11th year as a team, and we qualified to go to the World Championships for the 5th time. We went to the World Championships in April this year. We competed with 240 teams from 25 countries. It was held at the Civic Center in Houston.
Oh, wow, that's in that backyard there.
And we set 2 team bests. The U.S. First has judging, where the kids give a presentation to a 3-judge panel, and then they also have on-the-field competition. So we won a judged award for the first time at Worlds, and on the gameplay on the field, we advanced to the semifinals at the World Championships.
Awesome. And what was the challenge this year?
The challenge this year was to pick up hexagonal pieces of plastic. We called them pixels.
I like that.
And put the pixels on a backdrop. And you do that you get as many pixels as you can in 2 minutes.
Oh, wow.
And if your robot is agile enough, then you can put pixels in patterns. You get bonuses for patterns.
Oh, cool.
So there's an autonomous part. The first 30 seconds is autonomous. And so that includes computer vision, where the kids program the robot using a webcam. It could find things on the field, decipher where it was supposed to go, and if it hit 2 marks after it decided where it was supposed to go, that was worth extra bonus points.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Why did y'all create the Youth Lounge for the Huntsville Ham Fest?
So the Youth Lounge started in 2010, and quite frankly, it was because I had kids that were in junior high, and I wanted something for them and all the other kids that were here. So the wife and I put this together in 2010. That was the first time, and it was very small, and it's grown a little bit every year. I think this year we'll probably end up with close to 200 kids walking through here.
Oh, wow.
So it's
y'all
pretty
were
neat.
Super busy Saturday.
Absolutely packed.
And we were, this is Sunday, and it's a little quieter, so if you want a little extra attention, bring them around Sunday.
Absolutely.
And because they're still got everything out as they did yesterday. And the robots are awesome and fun to watch running around, and you do have a couple of them that they can actually run.
That's right. We call these the demo bots, and they're made to be easy and simple to drive, and kids just absolutely have a ball playing with robots. And it's fun to build something, learn the electronics and the motors and the engineering, and then drive your creation.
I love it. I love it. Where can we find more information about the Youth Lounge and how to support you and also the Browncoats?
The Youth Lounge has a page on the Huntsville Hamfest website at hamfest.org, and there's a lot of information there.
Awesome. And the Browncoats?
ftcbrowncoats.org.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. I thank you for taking time out of the day to talk to me and support the Youth Lounge.
Thank you, Frank. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.